Ultimate stage that you need to reach is oneness with all. I am one with everything. So there are no two different entities, no duality. That is Advaita. So service connects you. First is self-realization. Two is service. These are the topmost priorities of life. One, you need to know yourself. You need to have a strong relationship with yourself. So point one is self-realization. Meditation helps you for that. Two is service. How much you have progressed spiritually, your service will show you. I take this class, I go out and say, I have taken a great class. Everybody clapped for me. I am still operating from ego. Right? I can have satisfaction, but not ego gratification. Right? So while doing service, observe yourself. Service is the best opportunity where you can observe how egoistic you are. Okay? And ego comes even with knowledge. You know a lot of things. Along with knowledge, I know. I think this way. I think this is right. I think that is wrong. What you know, what you don't know, keep it aside. But what is this I? You know something today. You will know something tomorrow. And knowledge is an ongoing process, right? Just because you know something today, you don't have to, feel all these unnecessary egoistic things, right? So as simple as possible, you should become. You're just another drop in this great ocean. That's all. Be simple. Be one with all. Don't try to achieve things. What is the difference between achieving and attaining? Achieving is to show others. Attaining is, it's for yourself. Achievement is the word for ego. Attainment is for your own self. What all progress you make in meditation is attainment, not achievement. You can't show off anything. I felt peace of mind. Will I come and say, I got peace of mind? What is that? You feel peace, be at peace. Right? You got some knowledge, you don't have to think that I got to know. No. Oh, I got to know. Be humble, be simple. That's the spiritual trait. So work on your ego aspect using service. Use meditation for self-realization and becoming more strong. Make your relationship strong with yourself. And use service for dropping all negativity.